Okay, good morning, dear students. So, on sim theorem number 33, we will try to do up to 36, 33, 34, 35, 36. That means 4 theorems we are going to do it today. In the given figure, okay, so this type of question has also come once or twice in your SLC examination, during SLC examination. So, ABCD is a parallelogram, okay, so simple theorem is this one. So, ABCD is a parallelogram. You can see a figure over here. Let me make it. So this one A B C D A B B C and C D. This is a parallelogram. Okay, and here so A B C D is a parallelogram and E A B C is a cyclic quadrilateral. So if you see it from here, then let me do it with the next color. So E A B C and D. If you see this one, then you can see the next quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means having four sides. They are touching at a circle. That's why we can call it the cyclic quadrilateral also. Okay. So some rules we need to follow it, and we need to prove it that AE and AD they are equal to each other. So AE and AD, that means AE this line and AD means this line. They are equal to each other. They are isosceles triangle. We need to prove it. So to prove they are isosceles triangle, we need to prove that the base angles they are equal, isn't it? Okay. So if we can prove that this base angles they are equal, then we can say that this side and this side also they are equal to each other. So how to prove it? Okay. So first of all, let me remind you all that in a in a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite side, if we add this opposite side, this angle plus this angle, okay, suppose let me write an A and this is A. When we talk about the cyclic quadrilateral, this angle and this angle, if we add it, this sum is going to be equal to 180 degree. Is it? Uh, Now next one. So if you see this one and this one, so what do we call it? Otherwise, let me not see this one. So first of all, let me see this and this angle. So this angle and this angle. Okay. So suppose this is B and this is B. Okay, let me write on A. Otherwise B. Let me focus to the next thing. That's why let us write on B. So this is also B. So this angle and this angle, they are equal to each other. Correct? So they are equal to each other. And this, their sum is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Here also the term called 180 has come. That's why. So if we can say that this angle and this angle they are equal to each other, they are a straight line. So that's why this angle will also come. And if this angle and this angle, if we can say that they are equal to each other, then we can say that this line and this line they are also equal to each other. So let us go through the questions. So, okay, so one by one, answers now one by one. Okay. So first of all, let us write on the given. So in case of given, we must write on the question itself. ABCD is a parallelogram and EABC is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, so in a similar way as we have done in the previous questions, prove that AE and AD, they are equal to each other. So this line and this line they are equal to each other. That we need to prove it. And statement region is there. Hmm, Statement region is there. So let us start with the next question now. Next script now. Okay, so in this clip, we can see that so AED, AED, that was this angle. You can see with the help of pencil also. Okay, so with the help of pencil, I have highlighted this angle. So AED means this angle and this angle. What is the relation between these two angles? Your sum is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so AED, so AED and ABC means this angle equals to 180 degree. Okay, so what we need? We need this angle. That's why let us keep AED लाई राखौँ अनि के गर्ने प्लसलाई पठाइदिने यता. So it will be minus sign. Okay, so plus goes this side, it will be minus sign. Okay, no any problem maybe. So let us go to the next clip. So in this question, it is so in this statement number 2. So angle ABC and this angle they are equal to each other. As I have mentioned it before also, this angle and this angle, it is a parallelogram. Right? Parallelogram मा के हुन्छ अरे opposite angle. Right? This is parallel. This is parallel. That means opposite angle of a parallelogram they are equal to each other. ABC and ADC. These two angles they are equal to each other. किन पे equal भयो? Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal to each other. These two angles they are equal to each other. Correct? So यो पनि भयो. अब यसमा फोकस गरौँ किनभने हामीलाई चाहिएको के हो यो एंगल र यो एंगल. Okay. So what is the relation between these two angles? Their sum is equal to 180 degree. Look at number 3. So ADE. So ADE means this angle, okay, and this angle, sorry, ADE means this angle, and ADC means this angle. So if we add these two angles, their sum is going to be equal to 180 degree. So हामीलाई फेरि यो एंगल चाहिएको, okay, we need this angle. So के गर्ने भन्दाखेरि ADE लाई राखौं अनि अरूलाई पठाइदियौ. So ADC will go this side, it will be minus sign, okay, अनि ADC को ठाउँमा के लेख्न पाइन्छ, ABC लेख्न पाइन्छ. Are they equal to each other or not? यो एंगल र एंगल इक्वल हो हैन त. So ABC र ADC they are equal. That means in case of ADC हामी के लेख्न पाइन्छ, ABC लेख्न पाइन्छ. यो किन एक्सचेन्ज गरेको त भन्दाखेरि हेर्नु त यता नम्बर 3 180 degree minus ABC अनि A मा हेर्यो भने 1 मा हेर्यो भने 180 degree minus ABC यहाँ पनि देखिन्छ. ओके, यो र यो प्लस गर्दा 180 degree थियो भने यो र यो प्लस गर्दाखेरि 180 degree नै हुँदो रहेछ. दैट मिन्स माइनस गर्दाखेरि 180 degree minus यो गर्ने. Got it? So ADE. So from statement 1 and 3 we can say that so they are equal to each other. So 180 degree minus ABC, 180 degree minus ABC. So if they are equal, LHS पनि हामीले equal लेख्न पाइन्छ. So AED, so AED, this angle is equal to next angle is ADE. ADE भनेको यो angle. So यो दुईटा angle equal आयो. Statement 4 मा हेरौँ त they are equal to each other लेखिन्छ. So see this one. So number 4, so we can say that if these two angles they are equal to each other, this angle and this angle, 180 minus ABC, 180 degree minus ABC, theta में ABC, 180 minus ABC, 180 minus ABC, what we can add on? We can add on AED and ADE, they are equal to each other from statement 1 र 3 बाट आयो. And if these two angles are equal, यो दुईटा angle equal आयो भने के भन्न पाइन्छ? This is an isosceles triangle and isosceles triangle को दुईटा side के हुन्छ, they are equal to each other. यही prove गर्नु भन्छ. AE र AD नै prove गर्नु भन्छ and they are equal to each other. Is it? Okay. So in this way we can prove our first theorem. Theorem number 33. Okay, let us go to the next theorem. Okay, so let us start theorem number 34. In question number 34, it's this type of figure is given over here. So SR is the diameter. You can see from the center it is running, and here some extra lines are also drawn over here. Okay, so there is no any scribe angle, there is no any central angle. Okay, so there is no any, so no relation is there. That means we need to do some construction over here. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle as it is shown in the question. So SR is a diameter. Okay, so I have mentioned you just before. So center border line dimension, it is a diameter. Okay, and OP is perpendicular to SR. Perpendicular means 90 degree. OP border SR line goes means this is perpendicular. Either you can write down like this. Okay, so 90 degree right. So your angle, जुन पनि angle चाहिने सक्छ हामीलाई. Okay. अनि अर्को कुरा के छ यता, so what you need to prove? We need to prove so QTR, this angle, and next angle कहाँ छ? So OPR, this angle, they are equal to each other. Let me write a question mark over here. This is equal to each other. We need to prove it. So okay, any relation sign and we need to prove they are equal to each other. Okay, 90 degree diameter. So so whenever there is diameter, always assume okay, angle if construct some of the angle, then diameter को opposite angle it is going to be 90 degree. Okay, the 90 degree mention गरेछ, diameter पनि mention गरेछ. That means there must be 90 degree over here. अनि यसो राम्ररी हेर्यौ भने this angle and this angle, what is the relation between these two angles? Cos भनेर गर्छ, that means it is an inscribed angle. यो angle inscribed angle. So कतै गरी हामीले यो angle र angle equal भन्न सक्यौ भने यो angle र angle equal हो भने यो angle पनि equal हो. Okay, because they are inscribed angle. So यसरी हामी construction गरौँ. Okay, dotted lines बाट we need to do the construction, and if we can say that this angle is equal, this angle is equal, then we can say that these two are equal to this angle T and angle S, they are equal to each other. ल हेरौँ त step by step. So first of all, we need to draw the dotted lines. Okay, so given and proof. So we need to add as given in the question itself. So it is mentioned over here. So construction signs and like dotted lines for the construction signs. And here, diameter of opposite angle, it is going to be 90 degree. Okay, yeah 90 sir, yeah 90 sir. So let us see this two triangle. So the triangle main is equal. You read a triangle, no? Are some of the angles equal or not? You did angle equal, okay? Here, okay. You did equal one here equal also. So here, okay. So in this big triangle, okay, S one triangle, what you can 90 degree answer. Right, 90 degrees. You to is the triangle, ma? Yeah, that's 90 degrees. But you're okay, so they are equal to each other. Or so your triangle, ma? Okay, your angle ratio. Your triangle, ma? The angle ratio that is theta angle. So अस्ति हामीले के पढेको थियौं भन्दाखेरि so when there are two triangles, if this is 30, if this is 30, okay, both are 30 suppose. If this is 70, okay, this is 70. That is what is the value of this angle? The angle को value कति हुन्छ? I'm trying with a mark. So if this is 30, this is 70, then this is going to be how much? So 30 to 70, 100 degree, 180 minus 180 minus 100, it is going to be 80 degree. Okay, so I'm just going to show you. Okay, so 70 plus 30 is going to be 80 degree. So in a proportion, if two angles are equal in a triangle, that means remaining angle they are going to be equal. Remaining angle beta angle equals two break angle, they are always equal. So in this triangle 90 was, you 90 was, your triangle you equal was, your triangle you equal was. So break angle okay. So break angle, let me show you the next mark. So your triangle में क्या break है? ये angle break है. Your triangle में क्या break है? 90 was, you equal was. So you break है. Okay. So this angle and this angle they are equal to each other. Oh, equal भनेर. अनि हामीले के पनि अघि के भनेको थियो भन्दाखेरि this angle and this angle what is the relation? They are inscribed angle. If this is x, this is also x. If this is x, then this is also x. That is, these two are also equal to each other. Okay, so we prove one is not inside. So let us go on the one. So in triangle, let me show you the next clip itself. So AB, so S2R and this angle, both are 90 degree. This angle and this angle, they are 90 degree. Why they are 90 degree? Because one is made from the opposite, one is the opposite angle of diameter, that's 90 degree. Or for the 90 degree, they go to, that's why they are equal to each other. Okay, so in this triangle, SRQ and also POR, we did it in the triangle. Now, this one, so our pair on the next, what is equal to each other? Or so equals SQR, sorry, SRQ, this angle. Your triangle one, ये equal to your triangle में कितनी equal से ये triangle को ये angle, your triangle one रहेगा. Okay, ये triangle में this angle पर रहेगा. That means your triangle में 30 degree होने, your triangle में 30 degree नहीं हो, किन्हीं same angle हो, 30 degree नहीं हो. Okay, that means so what is the name of this in this triangle? So SRQ. SRQ. Okay, what is the name of in this triangle? So PRO. Okay. Now it's different, the angle the same. Okay, so that's why same angle. That's why they are equal to each other. So what is remaining angle now? So as we have already mentioned, this is this and this, they are 90 degree. Okay, your triangle ma boy angle equal, your triangle ma boy angle equal. That means your triangle ma ke baki rahesa. Your boy. That means this is remaining. Okay, S angle S is remaining. Your triangle में क्या बरो 90 बो, ये R बो, that means P is remaining. That means angle RSQ and then inside another QSR. This angle and this angle OPR or this RPO. This angle and this angle they are equal to each other. Number number C. So let me clear this first. So this angle and this angle they are equal to each other. other. Why they are equal? They are the remaining angles. So remaining angles of triangle, they are always equal to each other. Is it okay? Okay, now if these two are equal, then we can say that these two angles, they are also equal to each other. Why they are equal? Because they are inscribed angles. So what के बात है, यो र यो equal आके अब हामी के भनौं, यो र यो पनि equal भन्दैौ. So this and this, they are also equal to each other. They are inscribed angle. So if this all these three have same value, then we can say that this angle and this angle, they are also equal to each other, right? So they prove गर्नु भनेछ QTR र OPR. So these two angle prove गर्नु भनेछ. So if these three, all three are equal to each other, यो 30 यो 30 यो 30 हो, अदर्स 40 40 40 भने यो र यो पनि इक्वल रहेछ हैन, सेम भ्यालु भएकोले. सो द्याट्स व्हाई सो QTR लेखौं हैन. सो RSQ को भ्यालु कति छ? RSQ को भ्यालु OPQ, यता छ OPQ. ओके, OPQ को ठाउँमा सो यु क्यान राइट लाइक दिस अल्सो OPQ को ठाउँमा OPR पनि त लेख्न पाइन्छ, किनभने Q को ठाउँमा अलिकति तन्काउने R हुन्छ. OP को ठाउँमा OPR लेख्दिने. त्यो कहाँबाट आयो त भन्दाखेरि फ्रम स्टेटमेन्ट 1C बाट आयो एउटा, ओके, अनि अर्को 2 बाट आयो. So from statement 1C and 2. So in this way we can prove these two angles are also equal to each other. So simple name, right? So let us go to the next theorem. Okay, so on theorem number 35. So in the given figure, so AP and AQ, they are equal to each other. AP and AQ, they are equal to each other. That means these two lines, if they are equal in this triangle, they are isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle, right? And this angle. So let me draw this angle and this angle, they are equal to each other. The phi angle, because they are isosceles triangle, right? So next one is AM, your arc, MB. That is this arc. They are equal to each other. So always remember, arc दिएको छ भने कि त सेन्टर सँग दिएको हुन्छ, ओके, सेन्ट्रल एंगल हुन्छ, कि त सर्कमफरेन्स एंगल हुन्छ. यहाँ सेन्टर सर्कमफरेन्स के पनि छैन, ओके. सो सेन्टर के त मेन्सनै गरेको हामी सेन्ट्रल एंगल हुँदैन. सो सर्कमफरेन्स यता बरु कन्स्ट्रक्सन गर्यो भने के हुन सक्छ, सर्कमफरेन्स हुन सक्छ. यो एंगल भनेको यसको आधी हो भनेर भन्न सकिन्छ. तर सो सेन्टर चाहिँ छैन, द्याट्स व्हाई वी क्यानट मेक इट. सो आफै सेन्टर बनाएर ओ बनाएर गर्नु पाइँदैन. सेन्टर चाहिँ हामीले वी क्यानट डु द कन्स्ट्रक्सन आवरसेल्फ, ओके. सर्कमफरेन्समा चाहिँ वी क्यान डु इट, बट सेन्टरमा गर्न पाइँदैन. एन्ड व्हाट यु निड टु प्रुभ? सो प्रुभ दैट AN and MC, AN this arc, अनि अर्को NC this arc. सो यो दुईटा आर्क इक्वल हो भनेर प्रुभ गर्नु पर्यो. सो यसको आर्क भनेपछि यसको अपोजिट कता हो? यता हो. यो आर्कको अपोजिट कि त यसरी लिन पाइन्छ, यसरी लेछ भने यसको अपोजिट यो भयो. सो तिमीले यसरी नगरिकन if you make it like this, suppose let me clear it. Okay. So instead of this one, if you have made like this, dot 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 dot, okay. So if यसरी बनाछ भने सो यो पनि त A र N बाट बनेको छ हैन. यसको अपोजिट भनेको यतापट्टि हो. यसलाई यसरी पनि लिन पाइन्छ. So either you need to draw this side or you need to draw this side. अब कुन सुटेबल छ त? ओके, एन्सरले क्वेशनले के सुटेबल मान्छ त्यो अनुसार गर्नु पर्यो. अनि यसको यो भनेछ भने यसको अपोजिट कता छ? तिमीले आइदर तिमीले यसरी पनि ड्रा गर्न पाइन्छ. सो जस्ट एउटा क्लियर आइडिया के लियौ भने कि त लाइन यसरी ड्रा गरौ हैन, यसरी लाइन ड्रा गरौ, कि त तिमीले के गर्ने either यसरी बनाउने, यता छटके बनाउने, अदरवाइज यु क्यान मेक लाइक दिस एन्ड लाइक दिस, ओके. यसरी यता र यता कन्स्ट्रक्सन गर्दा हुन्छ. सो दैट यसको अपोजिट एंगल यो भयो. सो हामीले यो प्रुभ गर्न सक्यो भने यो एंगल र यो एंगल प्रुभ गर्न सक्यो भने यसको अपोजिट आर्क यो, यसको अपोजिट आर्क सरी, सो यसको अपोजिट आर्क यो, okay. So you angle equal भनेर प्रुभ गर्न सक्यो भने we can say that these two opposite arcs, they are also equal to each other. So let us go one by one. In question number 35, so first of all let us write in the given, let us write in the proof. Okay, construction. So construction हामीले तलै गरौँ ल अघि भने जस्तै either you can make like this माथि साइडमा पनि गर्दा हुन्छ अब तल साइडमा गर्दा पनि हुन्छ है त तल साइड ठुलो क्लियर फोटो हुँदो रहेछ द्याट्स वाइ you can go to the lower side माथि गऱ्यो भने पनि तरिका त्यही नै हो कि you can go by the same method and you can put they are equal to each other. So if we go by this method and तिमीले एक एकवटा गर्दै जसरी यहाँ प्रुभ गरिन्छ त्यसरी प्रुभ गर्यो भने you are going to get your marks. Okay, so let us go. So after writing the construction, okay, so let us start number 1. So A, P, Q. So A, P, Q. This angle. Okay, this angle. The one layer. So this angle and this angle. Why they are equal to each other? I told you. So this in this triangle, this line and this line they are equal. That means this angle and this angle they are also equal to each other because they are the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay. अब यो आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल हो भने यसको ठिक तल के हो त स्ट्रेट लाइन हो यो पनि स्ट्रेट लाइन हो सपोज यो 100 डिग्री भयो ओके दिस इज 100 दिस इज आल्सो 100 दैट मीन्स यो स्ट्रेट लाइन भनेको चाहिँ 180 सँग माइनस गर्नु पर्यो सो 180 minus 100 is going to be how much 80 degree यो 80 हो भने 100 हो रे सबै यो 180 minus 100 कति हुन्छ यो पनि 80 डिग्री नै हुन्छ सो इफ these two angles are equal that means we can say that these two angles are also equal to each other. Your duty angle पण equal हो पाइन्छ okay so why this angle and this angle also they are equal to each other we can prove it. So number 2 मा त्यही लेख्छ so number 2 मा लेख्छ so PQP this angle this angle and this angle they are also equal to each other. Why they are equal? Because they are the straight angle from statement 1. If these two angles are equal then these two angles are also equal to each other. Okay, so let us go to the next one. So in number 3, के भने भन्दाखेरि यो आर्क दिएको छ okay this arc and this arc they are equal to each other. यो आर्क को अपोजिट एंगल कता हो okay it is given with the pencil you can see it. So इसको अपोजिट आर्क यो एंगल हो यो आर्क को अपोजिट एंगल कुन हो got it. So this angle and this angle they are equal to each other. भन्नाले they are half. आर्क को अपोजिट सर्कमफरेन्स को अपोजिट के हुन्छ हाफ हुन्छ सेन्टर सँग को इक्वल हुन्छ त सर्कमफरेन्स सँग त हाफ हुन्छ as we have learned the rule already okay so previous theorem मा rule पढेको छ यो so if यो half हो भने this half and half will be cancelled that means it is going to be the same thing and P and B equals to Q and QCM okay so they are equal to each other भनेर सकिन्छ these two angles are also equal to each other. Okay, so हामी nearby हामी एन्सर्स तिर आइसकेका छौं ल हेरौँ है अब अलिकति मलाई एक्सप्लेनेसनको लागि so I separated the figure. Okay, so let us go to this triangle first. Let me highlight it with red color. This triangle मा हेरौँ हाम्रो भर्खर के आछ भन्दाखेरि so in this triangle this was equal यो यसको अपोजिट भन्छ यो एंगल हैन सो अनि त्यसपछि अर्को के थियो भन्दाखेरि यसको अपोजिट भनेको यो थियो यो नम्बर 3 स्टेटमेन्ट नम्बर 3 मा थियो यो हैन सो इफ यो दुईटा चीज इक्वल हो भने अब कुन हो रिमेनिङ एंगल this m is the remaining angle you can see the arrow over here this is the remaining angle is it focus right so m is the remaining angle over here correct so in triangle MQC this angle र यो एंगल पुरा भइसकेछ स्टेटमेन्ट नम्बर 2 मा यो एंगल थियो स्टेटमेन्ट नम्बर 4 मा 3 मा यो एंगल थियो दैट मीन्स यो दुईटा छ भने अब उयो कुन यो एंगल ओके so let me go to the next figure so after figure first के छ भन्दाखेरि so yellow it is not see properly this properly so let me try with black the black is also not see. Okay, so this one, this triangle. Okay, so in a similar way, this angle and this angle. Okay, so in number 2, this was equal. Right, here is equal to number 2. Here is equal to number 3. में क्या थी बताइए? इसको opposite arc कटा थे यदा पटी थी. That means here number 3 थी. भनेपछि यो 2 र यो 3 भयो भने यसको अब रिमेनिङ एंगल कुन छ यता एरो छ दिस इज द रिमेनिङ एंगल ओके सो 2 मा यो इक्वल थियो 3 मा यो इक्वल थियो दैट मीन्स यो ट्रायंगलमा अब कुन इक्वल भयो यो ट्रायंगलमा के उब्रेको छ एंगल एम उब्रेको छ अनि यो ट्रायंगलमा PBM मा के उब्रेको छ एंगल B उब्रेको छ दैट मीन्स वी कैन से दैट दिस एंगल and this angle they are equal to each other. Okay, so if you have not understood, then listen, your 30-degree here, suppose this 30, then this is also 30, because they were equal. Number 2 and left to 12, so they are equal to each other. So this is 100. Number 3, this is 100. That is, this is also 100 degree. It's also 100 degree. So if this is 100, this is 100, this is 30, this is 30. That means your triangle, ma, cube breaks other. Your triangle, you blue color triangle. So 30. 100. That means how much is the remaining angle? See this figure. So in this triangle, you can see this angle and this angle. Okay, so let me highlight this triangle only. This angle and this angle. If this is 30, this is 100. So what is the remaining angle? It is going to be 50 degrees because 30, 100 is going to be 130. 180 minus 130 is going to be 50. So let me show the next triangle also in the same way. So let us see the next triangle also. So if you see the next triangle, then you can see there. Okay, so here we have suppose 30, 30 and 30. Okay, so if this is 100, if this is 100, then it's also equal to 100 degrees. So what is the remaining angle? It is going to be 50. I'll be opening 50 inches. Okay, so this angle is also equal to 50 degrees. So here what you can see is that shear angle, view angle case they are equal to each other. And if these two angles are equal, then let's go opposite angle case. Opposite arc it is NC. ये proof करने वाले सामने. Okay. So इसको 957 ये इसको opposite arc कैसा AN. ये opposite arc AN निकालने पड़ेगा था. Okay. So let us go to the next figure. So look at here. So in number 4, so it is said that so PBN. So PBN. Okay. So PBN. So this angle and this angle they are equal to each other. Sorry, not this one. This angle. They are equal to each other. So why they are equal to each other? Because they are the remaining angles. This angle and this angle they are equal to each other. Now after that, so if you see it properly, then AN and NC you need to prove it they are equal to each other. यसको angle र angle equal आयो भने यसको opposite arc कुन हो? It is AN. यसको opposite arc के हो? It is NC. That means the opposite arc they are equal to each other. Actually it is half double. Okay, but if that 2 and 2 others half and half will be cancelled, then they are going to be equal to each other. These two angles they are also equal to each other. So it is the opposite arc of equal angles. Okay, so it was from statement 4 and statement 4 to opposite arc they are equal to each other. So in this way we can complete our theorem number 35. Hope you have understood. So if there is a problem, you can write in the comment. Okay. Now let us go to the next theorem. Theorem number 36. So in this theorem, so two circles are given. Okay, so they are there is an intersection like things are given over here, and there are two chords. Okay, so two chords intersect at A and B. So A र B मा intersect हुन्छ अरे. So यो यसरी chord, okay, so यसरी chord गइरहेछ, सीधा लाइन गइरहेछ यहाँबाट. So यसरी लाइन बनाउने. The line seems to the figure seems to be very complicated, but it is easier. So PBQ. So P, B, and Q. That means this is a straight line. The next one is RBS. You can see over here RBS. They are intersected at B. Okay, while a U line banane, when you make it, the possible draw this line from this intersecting the corner of the intersecting point, and you पछि मात्रै यसरी बनाउने, so that you get a proper figure. Okay, so I've done before, so there was a little bit mistake, so you can see a rough figure on here. Okay, so next one is so QS and RP when produced from M. Okay, so you RP your QS line it is sitting at M array, and it should prove that RASM. So RASM, you can see the line this side RAS and M. That means this quadrilateral जुन देखिरहेको छ this is cyclic quadrilateral you need to integrate. So RASM भनेको cyclic quadrilateral हो प्रुफ गर अरे. सो त्यो प्रुफ गर्नुको लागि के गर्नु पर्यो अरे. सो चारवटा चिज चाहियो हामीलाई. Either we need the opposite angles, their sum is equal to 180 degree. Okay, either this angle or this angle, their sum is equal to 180 degree proof गर्नु पर्यो. Okay, otherwise तिमीले inscribe angle proof गर्नु पर्यो. अन्त inscribe angle या त क्रस खालको के पनि दिएको छैन. inscribe angle हुँदैन रहेछ. So central ल so circumference वाला खालको तर circumference र center वाला खालको एंगल प्राय जस्तो हुँदैन. ओके, सो दुईटा चीज मेन हुन्छ त. ओके, सो टु प्रुफ दे आर साइक्लिक कोअर्डिनेटर के गर्ने भन्दाखेरि आइदर सो देयर अपोजिट एंगल्स दे आर इक्वल टु 180 डिग्री. ओके, अदरवाइज बाहिरपट्टि लाइन बनेको छ भने दे आर इक्वल टु इच अदर. एक्सटेरियर एंगल टाइपको. ओके, यहाँ त छैन यो टाइपको हो त. सो तिमीले यो एंगल हेर्यो भने दिस एंगल एन्ड दिस एंगल they are if they are equal to each other, then we can say that they are exterior angle. Okay, option is you beta plus होला कि न त यो beta होला. So we need to see okay, so what are the statements and reason we are going to follow. Right? Now let us go to the first topic. Okay, so I have mentioned it. Yes, I have done the little mistake in the figure. Already the questions were written already. That's why I have done rough with the help of the text. Okay. So hope it will not disturb the answers. Given two chords intersect at A and B. Okay, whatever question is given, so write it in short form. Okay, सारांश लेख्छु यसै अलिकति सकाएर लेखौँ. To prove, okay, whatever proof भनेको छ proof that भन्छ नि. त्यो to proof भनेर लेख्दिने RASM is cyclic quadrilateral. construction कहाँ चाहियो हामीलाई? A र B मा चाहियो हामीलाई construction. Okay, अनि अर्को so proof statement reason लेखौँ. So first में के लेखौँ number 1 में so RAB this angle and अर्को angle कहाँ छ BPM this angle. Do they have any relation? Yes, they have the relation. What is the relation? So if you see properly, then this is a cyclic quadrilateral. This one. It is cyclic quadrilateral because these 2 points they are touching the circumference. And यसमा यसको के relation छ त? They are exterior angle. Isn't it? This angle and this angle they are exterior angle. Right? They are exterior angle. They are equal to each other. So here up. So अर्को के गरौँ? See the next figure. So अर्को हेरौँ त BAS. So BAS this angle because we are going to take all these angles. So अभी ये लेकर के अब ये लेंगे. So BAS this angle. Do they have any relation with any angle? Sorry, this angle and this angle. What is the relation between this angle and this angle? So just see this figure only. So it should be like a butterfly shape. So what is the relation between this angle? The top one, the other square angle. The other square angle. So BAF and BQS they are equal to each other because they are exact angle. अब के गरौँ त भन्दाखेरि so let us add equation 1 and 2 because अघि equation 1 मा 80 पार्ट थियो, equation 2 मा 80 पार्ट छ. हामीलाई त यो फुल चाहिएको प्लस यो हामीले यो कोअर्डिनेटरलाई फोकस गरिरहेको छौँ. So full angle चाहियो. That means let us add statement 1 and 2. So let us add statement 1 and 2. So in this statement you can see that so RAB and BAS we are adding it. So BPM and this BQS they are being added. Okay, so RAB र BAS लाई हामीले प्लस गर्यौं के हुन्छ? So RAS हुन्छ. So instead of RAB plus BAS we can add on RAS. यो दुईटालाई प्लस गर्यौं यो होल एंगल पछि पनि हुन्छ. So this angle plus this angle means this whole angle. That means RAS भयो. So यसको ठाउँमा के लेखेको? We are adding RAS. So BM वाला. Okay, so यसलाई अलिकति छोटाएर लेख्छु. BPM. So BQS लेख्छ. Okay, so माथि पछि लेख्छ. त्यसपछि अलिकति नाम चेन्ज गर्छ. So let me show you pattern next. First, so next look at here. Like it is a QPM. What is QPM? PM. This angle. Oh, and also P PQM. PQM. This angle. So these are angle 2 plus. Okay, so the already full angle Malaysia. So BPM. How do BPM say? BPM say. Okay, so your angle, the angle on here. So instead of writing BPM, what you can write? QPM also you can write. Correct. So instead of writing, so we can say BQM let's say, BQ okay, S से लेंगे उसे PQS लेंगे PQS instead of writing PQS, what you can write? PQM पर लिखना फाइन से अलिकति S को हम M अलिकति टर्न राख्नु पर्यो but the angle is same. Okay, line मा मात्रै हामीले टर्न गर्नु पाइँदैन but in case of angle we can elongate it. Okay, so instead of writing PQS you can write BQM also, no problem. यो angle पनि हेर्नु हामीले. Okay, so अलिकति नाम चेन्ज गरेको पर्यो. So भर्खर के आछ भन्दाखेरि QPM हैन त अलिकति ट्विस्ट यहीँबाट स्टार्ट गर्छु अब QPM भनेको यो एंगल अनि अर्को त्यसो त PQM this angle. So this plus this equals to how much? P plus Q plus M equals to 180 degrees because this is triangle. This is a triangle. In a triangle, so if we add this all triangle angles, they are going to be equal to 180 degrees. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle M equals to 180 degrees. So both angle here, okay. So you the angle plus U angle plus currently is going to be 180 degrees. So let me focus in this triangle. Your triangle meaning your quadrilateral method. I'm like if this angle and this angle they are equal to 180 degrees. If you like focus for this angle, so U plus U पनि गरेर 180 degree हुन्छ. हामीसँग 180 degree पनि आउँदैछ है अनि यो एंगल पनि आउँदैछ. Correct? So here this one. Let me show you this statement number 4. So QPM, this angle plus this angle plus this angle. Okay, if we add these three angles, then this angle is going to be equal to 180 degree because they are the straight angle. So it's not the straight angle, it is angle of the triangle. Sorry, for the mistake. Sum of angles of a triangle. Okay, and now say the key person QPM. Here is also QPM. Here is PQM. Here is also PQM. भनेपछि यसलाई चाहिँ पठाइदिँदैछ. ओके, नम्बर PQM यिनीलाई राखो. यो PMS लाई चाहिँ पठाइदिनु. PMS लाई किनभने यसको भ्यालु त एक्सचेन्ज गर्न पायो नि त हैन. सो यसलाई राखो. यसलाई पठाइदिनु प्लस when it goes this will be minus. So when it goes side, this angle and this angle, okay, so they are equal to each other. So it has gone this side, it has gone this side, that means it's going to be it has become minus sign already. Here it equals छ भने हामी के लेख्न पाइन्छ this line and this angle they are equal to each other. Okay, so if these two angles are equal, then we can say that this angle and this angle they are equal to each other from statement. What is your statement number 3? Statement number 4. From statement number 4, 3 and 4 we can write down. So RAS is equal to 180 minus utilization PMS. Okay, so these two angles they are equal to each other. So RAS भनेको कता हुन्छ? RAS भनेको यो angle, full angle. अनि अर्को के छ? PMS means this angle. Oh, हामीलाई यो दुईटा angle चाहिएको थियो नि त. Because your cycle quadrant is this angle and this angle. You need to sum के for 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree हुन्छ है. So when plus minus it both this will be plus. So you need to plus गरेर दिन्छ 180 degree recover from statement 3 and 4 बाट आएको रहेछ and if their sum is equal to 180 degree then what we can say they are cyclic coordinator because their opposite angles they are equal to 180 degree यसलाई straight angle हैन यसलाई sum of angle of triangle लेखौँ ल त्यस्तै भएको रहेछ so in this way we can prove our last theorem of the number question number 36 okay so these are this after 1 to 36 these are the mostly repeated questions maybe it will come from these questions only hope so if 95% त यहीँबाट आउनु पर्यो so if other पनि आउनु सक्छ so please practice other questions also so focus this first and go for the other questions after that okay so best of luck for your examination